Hello guys, welcome back to uniqious Inside channel once again. So in this video tutorial, I'll be sharing this site where you can earn BTC, Litecoin, Ethereum, USDT, Doge, Baby Doge, and so on. But we are going to be focusing on earning BTC on this website. So I will be starting now and I will walk you through on how you can earn from this site. So it's free. The site you will earn for free, no investment. You are not investing any dime. So if you take this site very serious, you are going to be earning a lot from this site. So this site is for hard working people that works hard to earn. Yes, if you're not lazy, you will earn a lot of BTC on this site. So before we proceed, I am going to be telling you that if you're coming across my channel for the first time, here is uniqious Insight. All we do here is to share money making updates. So if it's what interests you, you want to be making money every single day, even for free, this site is for you. So all you need to do for me is to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, share to families and friends. Thank you. So now let's proceed. Number one is that you will need a Faucetpay account. So you can earn by using your Binance, Trust Wallet, Bybit, Bitget wallet. So it's not only Faucetpay you can withdraw to, okay? You can withdraw to other cryptocurrency exchange that I just mentioned. Binance, Bybit, Ethereum, Trust Wallet, and so on. Any exchange of your choice you want. So now the second thing now is, if you have gotten all those wallets, you are going to also get the link. So I will drop the link for this site in the comment section. I will drop the link for this to register for this site in the comment section. So locate the link in the comment section. Also, again, I'll be dropping the link to create a Faucetpay account if it's a Faucetpay account you want to use. So I will drop the video on how to create a Faucetpay account in the description section, and the video will also pop up for you guys to see. So now yes, you're going to get the link to on the video on how to get Faucetpay, how to create a Faucetpay account in the description. So scroll up very well. So in the description, down you will see the video on how to create a Faucetpay account. So just click on the video and you watch. So now number 3 thing I am going to be mentioning is that we have a Telegram channel link, we have a WhatsApp group link, we have a Telegram group link. I am going to be dropping all those links I mentioned in the video comment section or in the description box. So you locate it in those two places. Now the fourth thing I am going to be emphasizing on now is the main video. What is the name of this site? The name of this site is crypto earns. So crypto earns allow you to earn in different kind of cryptocurrencies. So but we are emphasizing on earning on BTC. So how can you earn on BTC? Once you have gotten all your wallets ready and you have also gotten the link for this video, I will drop the link for you in the video comment section or in the description box. So after you might have clicked on the link, it will take you to your Chrome browser or any browser you are using, but I will advise you to use Chrome browser. Go and update your Chrome browser in Play Store or Apple Store. After you might have done that, click on the link. The link will take you to your Chrome browser. So when it has taken you to your Chrome browser, now all you need to do here now is to sign up. So how can you sign up? Now I am going to be showing you how to sign up. So now let me log out, so I will show you on how to sign up. So okay, so I am going to be checking where I'm going to be logging out. I want to log out. Okay, so guys, now I've logged out from the site. You can see, so I will be logging in. So you can see what they wrote here. They said unlimited ways of earning baby Dogecoin. Yes, you can earn BTC. I've already said that. So now I'm going to be showing you how to sign up. So the first thing is to click on sign up. Once you have clicked on sign up, then you will see an interface like this. You can see now all you need to be doing is you will input your email address, you will enter a password, you will confirm the password, then you click on I am not a robot. After you might have clicked on I am not a robot, then you are going to click on this place that says register. Click on it. Once you have clicked on it, then you are going to register. So I've already registered. I'm going to log in. You are not allowed to create two accounts. Please take note, if not they will lock you up. So now I'm going to be putting my password and my email, and I will confirm I am not a robot. Okay. So I'm going to click on verify, then I'm going to click on bosses. Okay, verify again, then I am going to click on this place that says login. Okay, I've logged in now. So the next step now is to start earning. I've already withdrawn countless time from this site, so to my wallets. Yes, but I'm using Cwallet to withdraw. So anytime I want to withdraw from the site, I am going to be showing you on how to withdraw, but I will also show you how to go about the withdrawal. So once you have signed up finish, then all you need to do is to start earning. So now you can see we have dashboard, we have referrals, coupon, daily short link contents, withdraw, deposit, quiz, tax, referral contents, game achievement, short links, war, offer and survey, faucet, unlimited faucet, auto faucet, shop hack, window ads, and so on. So now we are going to be focusing on the place that says dashboard, coupon, daily short links context. Then we're going to be going on quiz, tags, games, achievement, short links. So now yes, we are going to be focusing on those one, and faucets, unlimited faucets, also faucets and shops ad. So those are the places you will be using to earn. So now let's claim now. Let me show you how to claim. Let's go to unlimited faucet, click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to an interface like this. So let it load up. After it's done loading, then you verify. Okay, then it will bring out this thing. They say please click on the antibot links in the following order. We have 142, so one. Sorry. Okay, 426, 4, 2, 2, 6. Then we are going to verify we are not a robot. Then we are going to click on okay, we're going to click on claim now. So once we have clicked on claim now, then it's going to mark us. Then you can see I now have they say good joy, 151,000 coins has been added to your balance. So I will click on OK. So once I click on OK, then I'm going to solve another captcha again. They say this one is 946. So 9 4 6. Then I'm going to click on I am not a robot. So once I click on I am not a robot, then I'll click on claim now. Claim now. Once I click on claim now, then it's going to okay, then now my balance has added up. Now I'm having, you can see my balance here now. I'm having 302,000 coin now. So the next thing I am going to be doing now is, if I want to withdraw, I'm going to click on this place that says withdraw. Click on withdraw. Once you have clicked on withdraw, then you are going to see any wallet you want to use. Either you are using BTC, so we are earning BTC from this site. You can see we are having BTC here, we are having Chuan, we are having Shiba, we are having Space Token, we are having Litecoin, we are having Pepe, and we are having Floki. So any one of your choice, you can use it to withdraw. But I am going to be withdrawing in Bitcoin, but I'm not withdrawing now. So you are going to click on any one you want. Click on it. Once you have clicked on it, it's going to bring out the amount you are going to get. Then you are going to input your Cwallet or Faucetpay wallet here. Then you are going to click on withdraw. So that is just how to go about withdrawing in this site. Okay, you are going to be using just Cwallet and Faucetpay. So I'm going to be drawing the I will drop the video on how you can create Cwallet and how you can create Faucetpay. So any wallet you want to use, you will see the video. I'm going to drop it for you. So now so that is how to go about earning from this site. So I told you can earn with quiz, tax, gains, achievements, offer and survey, faucet. So let's click on faucet and let's claim again. So I want to claim now. So they are giving me, they say please click on the antibot links in the following. They are giving me cat, ant and monkey. So cats, ants and monkey. Then I'm going to click on I am not a robot. Once I click on I am not a robot, then it's going to check. Then I'll click on claim now. Okay, once I click on claim now, you can see they say 446,000 coins has been added to your balance. I will click on okay. You can see this site is such an amazing site where you are going to be earning. You don't need to wait for anybody before you are earning from this site. So once we go to the withdrawal part again, you are going to see now that okay, my balance is adding up. Okay, my balance is adding up. Now I can withdraw anyone I want. I can withdraw from anyone I want. So guys, you need to face this site. This site will earn you a lot. So if you really focus on this site, you are going to be making money from this site. This is one of the sites that I can bet, I can tell you that no. These sites have been long. People are earning from this site. So you also start earning. So don't wait for anybody. Nobody is going to wait for you if they are making money. So you need to work hard. You don't need to be lazy. So guys, that is how to withdraw. You click on the withdraw part. Once you click on the withdraw, you are going to see okay, sorry, let's load up. I think they are reversing me back. So you can withdraw on anyone you want. So all you need to do is to just click on anyone you want to withdraw. Maybe you want to withdraw from Tron or anyone. You're just going to click on it. Once you click on it, then you're going to see that they said amount that you can withdraw. Then you put your Cwallet ID or Faucetpay wallet. So I'm going to drop the link to create Faucetpay wallet and Cwallet. So guys, I think this will be the end of the video. So guys, that is how to earn on this site. It's very simple. There is nothing hard there. I've shown you how to withdraw your money. So go now, rush this site now and start making money. And I want to also tell you that short links be doing short links very well. You can see here short links will pay you more. Once you are viewing sites and you're also playing games, you view all these sites for maybe 1 minute, 5 minutes, or how many minutes they are going to give you. You are going to earn a lot from short links. So try as much as possible to take advantage of this size. So I think this will be the end of the video. So subscribe to my channel, like this video, give this video a thumbs up, and share to families and friends. Please subscribe. Okay, so thanks for watching.